Welcome back to my channel. It's been way too long and oh my god, do I have so much to share with you guys over the next few videos. It feels like so good to be back, you guys. It's me, Brianna Latoy, and we're back. We are back and we are actually better. Oh my god. And we're the same. I'm hot. I'm sweating. Woo! It is hot, y'all. I'm wearing this wig and this hat and a long sleeve in Florida in the end of June. It's hot. And I have my Freedom Rave Wear hat on, it's made by my friend Lexi. Check out her brand, it's super dope. I haven't made a video in so long because of so many things, and I'll definitely be making a video to kind of explain why I took such a long break, but this is not that video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys all the styles in my Freedom Rave Wear collab line, Electric Vitality. So, while I've been gone for so long, one of the really cool things that I have had the opportunity to do is have my own collab line at Freedom Rave Wear. And Freedom Rave Wear is a super dope rave company ran by a very small team. Michael and Alyssa are the owners, the co-owners. They're married, they're so cute, and they reached out to me around December about doing a collab line with them, and it came out this January. And one of the things that I really wish that I could have done was make a YouTube video to show off all the styles back then. But like I said, I wasn't filming, so we're a little late, but better late than never. I'm really excited, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna show you all the styles that come in the collab line and kind of explain to you while I'm wearing them, like how it came to be. So let's go ahead and get right into this and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is outfit number one. This is the midi crop top in Electric Vitality. I believe I have a size 1X in everything on top, and then my bottoms are a 2X. They are a reflective pattern. These are the high-waisted bottoms. I am obsessed with them. They fit perfectly. Like, this is my ideal bottom. I absolutely love them. I love the way they look, I love the way they fit. So one of the reasons why I really love this midi crop top is because it can double as rave wear, athletic wear, or casual wear. So this is a midi little top, so you can wear it with jeans to make it look casual. You could wear it to the gym with leggings. It would work perfectly for working out. And also, I have my Shop Majestic garters on. Every time I wear my Shop Majestic garters on TikTok, people ask me about them. It sticks because it has like a rougher material on the inside, and then it's also adjustable. So these are awesome. Everyone always asks me about them. They're Shop Majestic. They're the only garters that I will wear as a plus size girl, someone with chunky legs. They are awesome. They're amazing. I always get compliments. They're handmade. Like, the artistry is just so dope. So I'm gonna roll them up a little bit so you can see them in this shot. I'm having like camera angle issues because this is the first time I've ever shot in this space, so just bear with me, I'll figure out what room works best for me in this apartment. But right now I'm wearing pink ones that have gold hearts on them, and they match my collab line like perfectly since the line has purples, pinks, and blues. It kind of subtly represents pride, and it also is just like my favorite colors. I love purple and pink and blue, so it kind of just works out perfectly. So I'm gonna show you guys a little unboxing. So Kandi Bar sent me the Good Vibes pack. I'm so excited to see what's in here. You used to make candy all the time in your free time like I did when I was like 19. Now I have a full-time job, and honestly, I do creating content in my spare time, so I don't have enough time to make candy. So there are options for busy people or people who just want to get custom candy made for themselves and you may not be as talented. You can order from Kandi Bar. So let's see the candy that they got me. It's like a surprise box, like let's see. So I got the Good Vibes. This one says whole heart. I'm showing it to both cameras right now, so I'm working on my iPhone and on my Canon. So this one says whole heart and it's red. This one says get lucky and it's black and white. This one says slay. How cute. Oh my god, there's so many in here, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna pull them all out because I cannot wait. Okay, so I've got them all. And there's a little note inside, and it says, "Our handshake with you, peace, love, unity, and respect. Use these candy bracelets to spread good vibes and connect with new friends. 100% happiness guaranteed." If you're ever feeling anxious or worried about like talking to someone new, this is the way to go when you want to say hi to someone at a festival. And we're just gonna pretend like we're at a festival. I'm gonna put all our candy on, and like I said, this is just a great option for those of us who aren't candily talented. I'm gonna order custom base garden ones for Bonnaroo and Okeechobee. So if you see me at Bonnaroo or Okeechobee, I can give you a base garden candy that's gonna be from Kandi Bar. So yeah guys, that is my little Kandi Bar unboxing. I'm so happy, and they're just, you can just feel like they're good quality, like they ain't breaking, nothing like that. And they're available on Amazon. So part of the reason why I went with this print and went with the Electric Vitality name is because one of my first viral posts on Instagram was me wearing the black reflective two-piece set from Freedom Rave Wear. I had it where my friend Alexis was taking pictures of me, and she did a live photo, and it like lit up, and it looked like I was like on, like, not on fire, but it was like it was lighting up. That was instantly like my favorite print with Freedom Rave Wear because it was just unique and cool, and like I'd never had anything that could, like, it's more than just a piece, it's like a statement piece, you know, like watch this with the flash going off, like even in the lights right now you can see like my pants are glowing. Like, what other like outfit are you gonna wear where you're glowing? What I went ahead and did was added my favorite colors. Then we had a couple pieces that were reflective and a couple pieces that weren't, just to make sure it would be affordable for everyone, because the reflective pieces are a little bit more expensive. So we just made more of the like rave styles reflective, and then the ones that could be more casual are not reflective. So that's kind of the reasoning behind the line. Then also I wanted to do pieces that plus size girls would feel good in and confident, but also ones that like are comfortable. So that's why you'll see styles that I picked, which you'll see later. You know, they're just ones that I feel comfortable in as a bigger woman. Oh, and Electric Vitality. So the electric name is because, I mean, the print is just so like, so there's you're being electric. And then the vitality part is like, vitality means strength and power, and like that's how I want you to feel in it. I want you to feel powerful, like a warrior princess alien who is off and like just strong. So yeah, there's your reasoning behind it, and let's go get into outfit number 2. Okay guys, so this is look number 2. So I'm wearing the V-free top, and I still have the high-waisted reflective bottoms on. So I do have the high-waisted Brazilian bottoms as well, but for YouTube I'm gonna keep on the high-waisted ones because they're a little bit more full coverage. So these are the high-waisted Brazilians. So you can see the cut is just a little bit higher, shows a little bit more skin. They're still reflective, and they're pretty full coverage in the back too, but they're definitely gonna be more cheeky than the high-waisted. So those are the 2 reflective bottoms that I have, with 1 reflective top, which is the V-free. I like this top because it is like a sports bra shape, so it gives you a lot of support, but it still has the mesh, so it still makes you feel like sexy, and that's always good. And it makes you feel more confident. So my favorite part is definitely the sleeves. I just feel like it makes the look feel just 1,000 times cooler. And obviously I'm a plus size girl, so I made sure that, you know, if you can get the sleeves in different sizes. I have big arms, guys, look at those. Those are bingo wings, you know, bingo, flying to heaven. And they fit over my arm if I want to go all the way up. They do. So, but I prefer to wear them a little bit pulled down. And obviously, like, I had to get a face mask as one of my pieces because my line was released in the middle of a pandemic. Plus, before pandemic, you all know ravers were wearing face masks anyway. It helps us when we're stomping and the dust and getting everything from your face. So I also have a face mask that matches as well, that is also reflective, so that's super dope as well. So I'm gonna go get into the next piece. So this is look number 3. This is the Electric Vitality Bodycon dress. Oh my gosh, this is like everything. So This dress could totally double as rave wear. You could easily put one of the bottoms underneath it if you're going to a rave and you didn't want to like flash everybody if you're dancing. So you could easily put like the high-waisted bottoms underneath it and then just go to a rave. But the coolest part about this dress is that it can totally be casual wear too. So you can wear this. I paired it with this little jacket that I got from Forever 21, this little cardigan thing, and you can totally wear it for like a date night or a girls' night out. If you're going to like a rave at a club, it would be perfect for that. Like, it's so cute. And let me show you all the straps on it. So it's just two little thin straps that kind of come in, so it gives a really good shape to your chest. Like, it's everything. It really can go down further too if you want, but I like to hike it up a little bit just to give a better shape. It's totally groovy, right? Like, I feel like it's very 70s. Like, you could pair this with like a pair of high-waisted knee boots. I mean, not high-waisted, high knee boots, and it would look super like 70s and groovy. Super cute, super stretchy material. Definitely hugs the curves in all the right places. And now let's move on to our final style in Electric Vitality, guys. And lastly is the Electric Vitality Bodycon skirt. How cute is this? So this is another one that can double as casual wear, but you could wear a pair of bottoms underneath if you wanted to wear it to a festival and you're worried about anything showing. I feel like I went with a lot of casual wear because at the time, like, raves weren't happening, but at the same time, like, who doesn't love supporting a small business, supporting a small creator, and wearing rave wear in the real world? And then no one has, like, it's a very unique piece to have. Like, no one has those pieces, you know? Like, whenever I wear these to work, people are always like, oh my god, where did you get that? Or that print is so cool. And it's like, it's because no one else has it, because non-ravers don't wear this kind of stuff. That is always a flex. And this one can be a little bit longer. Let me show you how long this one can get. Like, I think I probably ordered, maybe it's just because I ordered it a little big for myself, so I like to hike it up a little bit, and I like to have a little bit of extra space. I feel like it's flattering to have a little bit of scrunchiness on there. But yeah, this skirt is super cute, and like I said, like, to be cute for like going out to a club. I pieced it with the crop top, but it can easily go with the V3 top as well. You could put a black top with this and wear it out, or you could wear like the top and wear it to the rave club. Thank you so much for tuning in and coming back to my channel after I left you high and dry for so long, but I'm back, baby, and we're here to stay. I'm going to make like a pledge to myself to try to make videos all the way through December. Like, we're just gonna start with small increments, 6 months at a time. Let's see if I can go 6 months with some regular uploading, hopefully at least every other week, but I'm not gonna make any promises, but I'm gonna try for every other week because I've said this before, doing this makes me happy. I love sharing my fashion tips with you guys. We're gonna do lifestyle, we're gonna do vlogs, we're gonna do rave wear, plus size fashion, everything. So it's all coming back. Curly hair, I already had a suggestion from my friend to do a curly hair video, so that one is definitely coming. It'll probably be my 3rd or 4th video that I put up. So be looking forward to that. Me and Chris are gonna be doing vlogs, so you'll get to see more of him too. So yeah, that is it. And guys, make sure you click the link down below. I've got my link tree there. I've got my Freedom Rave Wear. Every rave brand that I work with is in that link tree. So yeah, I think, wow, it just feels good to be back, and I'm just gonna stop rambling, and I hope that I see you guys next time. Goodbye.